It is time for memes. Hello everyone, me Vulcanax, and of course, let's get into some furry memes. Yay! What do you call a protogen with a water bottle? A hydrogen. Oh my gosh. I swear these memes were made by dads. Just... oh my god, they're bad, but at the same time funny. Oh my gosh, a sense of dad jokes as well as being furry. There you go. Hydrogen. When a shapeshifter can't find their original form. Where is it? Honestly, I don't think that's a bad form to have. Looks hecking adorable. Adorable dude. Go ahead. I'm all ears. Oh my gosh. Yes, that'd definitely be a lot of ear. Very much so. Oh boy. Just perfect. Oh. Definitely would love to see ears on my sonnet. I am planning on adding them with my next rendition of my fursuit head. So, yeah. Very much so. If you've seen my live streams and my dragon signer in VR chat, I'm gonna go with something a bit like that. Yeah. Very cute. Yeah. Yeah. The mute button. Oh my gosh. Foxes. Mute them by booping. Yeah. Cute. Yeah. Adorable fox. Whoa. Oh, perfect. Perfect indeed. I bet a lot of furries these days when they see something they're like, whoa. Early bird, night owl, drowsy all day, then peaks about your life choices. Oof. Oof. That can be a bit of a feeling for some. Yeah. I can be a bit of a night owl at times too. Anyone out there actually have an owl sonar? I think they're kind of cool looking. Dumb kitty box. That is adorable at the same time. Just... oh. Oh my gosh. Kitty. Very much so. Adorable one at that. Aww. Love adorable cat fursuits, they just look adorable. A werewolf. A werewolf. A werewolf. I get it. Wanna see how hard I can cry? Oh no. Aww. Well, I guess that's what you'd call a water type Pokemon, so yeah. A lot of, they can do a lot of things with water. Honey, wake up. This is the new fur bait. Oh well. Fox. Of course. It always has to be a fox. I don't know why, but the fascination has become global. OMG, that form is so cute. I can't pick up anything with these. Yeah, kind of the same there too. Yeah. Beans. Big old bappers. Onward, noble steed. Cookies await. This is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. Yes, definitely. A proto taur on top of a roomba. Oh, definitely. This is why I love just people making their own sonars and coming up with random stuff like this. It's awesome. Yeah. And adorable proto. Yeah. I had a realistic dream that turning into a dragon. Neat. I should mix the tea potions and sleeping pills more often. Oh god dang it, that's just... You genius, you cheeky genius. Oh, whoops-a-daisies. Oh. And of course, I can agree being a Durg is freaking nice. Swear jar. But jar. I can tell you I know a friend that would probably end up going broke if I ended up doing that to them. I'm looking at you, Scar. Oh boy, he would end up going broke for the amount of times that he does. Oh boy. Oh. It'd be one very full jar for shampoo. Oh, I don't think you'd need a bucket of shampoo to wash if you have fur, but you would need a little bit more than a small amount. But it would be worth it, honestly. All the floof. All the floof. Adorable. Please click the box to continue. I'm not a robot. Oh, this has become such a classic thing at this point. Just adorable. Speaking adorable floofy proto. Yeah. Me. My printer just doing its job. Yeah, same. I sometimes do it. Sometimes sit there and just watch it. Observing the printer doing its thing. Yeah. Adorable. That's adorable sonar. That's freaking adorably cute. Are those all ears? Or is it something else like feathers or something behind his ears? Freaking cute either way. The perfect date, doesn't it? Floofy. And freaking adorable. I'm not a furry, but... yeah. I've known a lot of people that end up saying that and then kind of... yeah. They end up becoming one about a few weeks later. Maybe a month or so, but you get the idea. Yeah. Yeah. Can't tell if it's a femboy or programmer. I know programmers and a few of them tend to be like that. Seriously. I don't know why. But that's the case with a lot of programmers out there, I know. Programmers socks. Cute. Oh no. Oh, the fact that someone's made a 3D render of this, that's impressive. Yeah. Cute. Haters, furries are cringe. Furries, of course, that's what makes us powerful. Unlimited power! Would you like to place an order? No. And if you don't know, this is based on one of those robots that have been used in a lot of restaurants lately. I don't know what they call those things. I just call them kitty droids. They look freaking cool. And also, that is an amazing rendition of it. Hecking adorable. Maybe one day in the future. Who knows? Cute. Well, you could say he's at the Derg wash. Well, I guess you would probably do that if you were that size. It'd be like a giant brush just cleaning you. Get all the dirt and grime off. You'd be quite clean, and also your scales would get a nice waxing. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can just picture that sort of thing. Oh, it would probably be like the bestest back scratcher in the world. Oh, oh boy. Why? I thought we left this in the past, but no. But let's just say this. We don't talk about this. We don't talk about Scrappy-Doo. Don't talk about... There's no war in Bossing Say. Oh, please let this be a normal field trip. Oh my gosh. The magic school bus going to a fur con. That's a thing. Yeah. And also, that's a lot of furries on one plane. Hecking adorable. Big floof pile. Call of Duty ghosts. Poro. Yeah, exactly my first thought when I saw that. Just like, it's just a human version of Poro. Oh, that is all the memes for today. Thank you for coming and watching today's furry memes with me. Thank you. And also, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and check out all my other content. Yeah. And also, have a wonderful day. You're all adorable beans. Yeah, blah.